Cat offers these guinea pigs a top-tier service. Sleepy mom wakes up not knowing why she already has kids. Cat asks for some cuddles from the cow, and gentleman politely responds right after. Best friends always stick with each other. It seems that raccoon and cat is a perfect match.
Ну не кусайся, Тоня, не кусайся.
The way that bird lays down like his friend does is so adorable. They say that dogs hate cats. Well, it seems not. Everywhere cats visit, they make new friends. Black Cat always wants to have a pal who has the same size to cuddle. This cat even plays with sheep, maybe because they're both fluffy.